On the corner though, the two fullbacks equally capable. Remruata delivers. Far from anything dangerous. The mastermind, the professor you called him. Looking like one, his team playing like well taught ones.
Well, the combination play is perfect. They are keeping up a very high press. Things are working to the T.
Not a great clearance. Papi Gassama always winning that battle, but Damite wins it back. A beautiful turn, a chance for Shillong. The roar goes high. They've pulled one back. It is Douglas start in, and they've got the belief from a nothing moment. And Damite Lingdo just stole it off Papi Gassama, double his size. That is credits to Damite. And a sharp turn from Douglas did the trick.
The crowd erupts. What a brilliant conversion that from this man, Douglas Tardin, 32 years of age. He's got a lovely right foot. They're in the talent club as well, Sufanbari. Look at that. Great setup. Lovely turn and no chance whatsoever for Syed Kadir to his right. That was perfectly poised. And again, very sloppy defending by Papi Gassama. And he just found the right area, the lacuna, to put that in. So things are alive. Shillong Lajong has pulled one back. The contest is going to be much more lively.
Another pass through. They've released Marcus Silva. A touch slight heavy. It was Churchill's attack which they tried to convert into their own.